So what exactly is garbage collectors? Before we dig into it, we need to understand the basics of how memory is used and how we store resources in it. We will also take a peek at how memory leaks can occur and how garbage collectors can help us prevent them. First, let us take a look at how we store data, like files in memory. In a computer we have two different storage types. One is your hard drive, and one is random access memory, more known as RAM. When we want to move something from the hard drive, we need to find a location in the RAM which is free to hold the data. And this process is called memory allocation. And it's the program's job to ask the operating system for a piece of memory. After we have allocated some memory, we are free to use it as we want, for example move some data. When it comes to memory in code, we can take a look at this example in Java. Here we call a function, which inside creates a new variable and stores a string in it. This value gets stored in the memory, and the value is referenced to the memory location. But when the method is done and we reach this line, the variable goes outside scope, and the memory needs to be freed up. Now if we had another variable declaration over here, that value can be placed in the memory location we freed up. Now, let's take a look at how memory leaks occur. We all know Chrome uses a lot of memory, so we say all of this is allocated for the browser. And of course, let us fill it up with some stuff. Now you see that all of the allocated memory is filled up. What the hell do we do now? We have to scale it up and allocate some more. But of course, it's Chrome, so it fills up again. And the cycle continues, until we run out of memory. So this is what happens when we don't remove unused memory. And this is where garbage collectors come in. So let's scale this allocation down and try running Chrome with a garbage collector. As you can see, as soon as we don't need some data anymore, the garbage collector removes it and frees up the memory. So we don't need to use up all the memory for one application. However, sometimes it happens that the memory still gets full. Then as before, we just need to scale it up. But remember, we have a garbage collector now, so it will remove unused data and give us an opportunity to scale down. And now you see we have a lot of free memory, which we can use for other applications. This was the basics of how memory allocation works and how garbage collectors can help us prevent memory leaks. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Bye bye.